Hello everyone, and welcome back to English TalkHub. I hope you are having a wonderful day today. In this episode, we are going to talk about a busy school day using simple and easy English. This podcast is perfect for beginners who want to improve listening, vocabulary, pronunciation, and daily English conversation skills. So please relax, listen carefully, and enjoy learning English with me. Every weekday, I wake up early in the morning because I need to prepare for school. My alarm clock rings at 6 o'clock. Sometimes I feel sleepy and tired, especially when the weather is cold. But I know I must wake up and start my day. First, I sit up slowly and stretch my body. Stretching helps me feel more awake and relaxed. Then I go to the bathroom to wash my face and brush my teeth. Cold water helps me wake up faster. After that, I take a shower and get dressed in my school clothes. When I finish getting ready, I prepare my school backpack. Inside my backpack, I put my books, notebooks, pens, pencils, homework, and water bottle. Sometimes I also bring snacks for break time. Then I go to the kitchen for breakfast. Breakfast is very important because it gives me energy for school. I usually eat eggs, bread, rice, or fruit. Sometimes I drink milk or orange juice. While eating breakfast, I check my school schedule and think about my classes for the day. After breakfast, I leave the house and travel to school. Sometimes I walk, and other times I take the bus. The streets are usually busy in the morning because many students and workers are traveling at the same time. When I arrive at school, I meet my friends near the classroom. We talk together before class starts. Sometimes we talk about homework, sports, music, movies, or weekend plans. Talking with friends before class feels fun and relaxing. My first class usually starts at 8 o'clock. One of my favorite subjects is English because I enjoy learning new words and practicing speaking. In English class, we practice reading, writing, listening, and pronunciation. The teacher sometimes asks questions, and students answer one by one. I try my best to participate in class because practice helps me improve. Sometimes we also work in groups and practice conversations together. Learning English becomes easier when we practice every day. After English class, I usually have math class. Math can be difficult sometimes, especially when the questions are long or confusing. But I continue practicing because practice helps students improve slowly. My teacher explains the lessons carefully on the board, and I write important notes in my notebook. When I do not understand something, I ask questions. Asking questions is important because it helps students learn better. Next, I often have science class. Science is interesting because we learn about animals, plants, space, weather, and the human body. Sometimes the teacher shows experiments in class, and students watch carefully. Experiments are exciting because they make learning more fun and easier to understand. I enjoy learning new facts about the world around me. After several classes, students usually have a short break. During break time, many students relax, talk with friends, buy snacks, or use their phones. Some students study quietly before the next class begins. I usually drink water, eat a snack, and relax for a few minutes. Short breaks help students feel refreshed and ready to study again. At lunchtime, the cafeteria becomes crowded and noisy. Many students stand in line to buy food. Sometimes I bring lunch from home, and other times I buy food at school. My favorite school lunch is fried rice with chicken because it tastes delicious and gives me energy. During lunch, my friends and I sit together and talk about many things. Some students talk about games and hobbies, while others talk about future dreams and goals. Some students want to become doctors, teachers, engineers, or business owners in the future. After lunch, classes continue again. Afternoon classes can sometimes feel difficult because students become tired or sleepy. But I try to focus and pay attention carefully. Good students continue learning even when they feel tired. Sometimes teachers give homework before class ends. I always write homework in my notebook so I will not forget it later. Homework helps students review and practice what they learned in class. When the final class ends, many students feel happy and excited to go home. Some students join clubs or sports activities after school. There are many interesting clubs such as music club, art club, science club, and English club. Sometimes I play basketball after school because exercise helps me feel healthy and relaxed. Sports are also good for teamwork, discipline, and confidence. After school, I return home feeling tired but satisfied. I change my clothes and relax for a short time. Sometimes I watch videos, listen to music, or eat snacks. Then I begin doing my homework. Homework can take a long time, especially math or science assignments, but I try to stay patient and finish everything carefully. Quiet music sometimes helps me focus while studying. In the evening, I eat dinner with my family. We talk together about our day, school activities, work, and future plans. Family time is important because it helps people feel connected and supported. After dinner, I prepare my backpack for the next day. I check my books, homework, and school supplies carefully. Preparing early helps reduce stress in the morning. Before going to bed, I sometimes read books or practice English vocabulary. Reading is a very good habit because it improves vocabulary and knowledge. Sometimes I also watch English videos online to improve listening and pronunciation skills. Then I brush my teeth, turn off the lights, and go to sleep around 10 o'clock. Good sleep is important because students need energy for school and learning. A busy school day can feel tiring sometimes, but school is also an important place for learning, friendship, and personal growth. Every class teaches something useful. Every challenge helps students become stronger and smarter. And every small effort helps students improve step by step. Thank you so much for listening today. I hope this podcast helped you practice English and learn new vocabulary. Keep studying, keep practicing, and keep believing in yourself. Learning English takes time, but daily practice will help you improve little by little every day. See you again in the next episode of English TalkHub. Goodbye, everyone.